What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create a comments or a recent or latest comments page into your WordPress website. Basically a page on your site, on your blog, that can be a hub for all the recent comments on all your posts, okay? It's a way to concentrate the discussion and the community and share how many posts and what people are talking about your posts, okay? It's a good way if you are a blogger, okay? How to do this? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because I bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to choose international sites favor. So let's get this started. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, okay? Normally it's your domain plus WP admin, just like this, into my browser tab. Review the left sidebar of menus. For this plugin, you're gonna have no needs for coding or any other plugin, okay? So all we have to do is install WordPress and have WordPress on our site. So hover your mouse over page, click on add new page. Let's apply a title to this page. Recent comments, just like this. Now you can type your content in the case that you want, but the most important part is clicking to this plus button, okay, the add block button. I would like to have this into a column layout, so we're gonna search for a column widget. Here is, and I would like to have this like this, 3 columns. And into the middle one, I can apply the comments, okay? But this is up to you. Now, click into one of the plus buttons to add another block and search for comments. And the widget that we're looking for is this one, the latest comments. And here is the latest comments. Let me remove the columns so we can do this in another way to make it bigger, okay? So basically, by default, it searches for the 5 latest comments on our site. But of course, you can fully customize it. Review the right sidebar of menus that appears, okay, into the block. We have the option to display avatar or not, to display date or not, and to display accept or not. I recommend that you display all these 3 options and change this for as many comments as you wish to have. For example, 100 comments, okay? We have advanced options to call extra CSS classes, but no needs for it. Now let's review the typography, this little tab right here. And we can make the comments bigger, okay? In the case that I want. Let me publish the page so I can show you the results. And here is our recent comments page. Of course, we can apply this into a column layout to combine this with other kinds of content. We can apply this into a sidebar of your site, into the footer of your site. It's fully customizable. Now, let me explain how to apply this into columns, for example. Let's use 2 columns, and I will just drag and drop it into this first column. Let me show you the difference. Can you see? Now it breaks for 2 columns. You can do the same. You can change the amount of columns that you need. You can, for example, change the maximum amount of comments. Just remember that this is the recent comment, so if they hit the bottom, you're gonna got to hide the other comments, okay? The system gonna automatically do this for you, okay? And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Element or Gutenberg, or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that can start to customize your site in the way that you want, or growth.net platform place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. Or sites.gallery, that is a CSS gallery where you can promote your site, your app, your game, your landing page. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your WordPress website, count on our full support, have access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium themes, plugins, templates, icons, and many more features to create the site of our dreams, just go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!